How to change gender character on FreeFire. Hi everybody, if you're wondering how, you can follow up the steps. So in the bottom of the screen when you log in, you should be finding a preset option. You can look for it right beside weapon, you can tap on it, and when you do, this opens up. Now from here, you can go ahead and select up the character that you want to change. For example, if you want to change it into a girl character, you can tap on the character, a girl character that you want to change it into, or a boy character that you would like. So there are different character options. If you have unlocked all of the characters, you can tap on one of the characters, for example, this one right here, and then go ahead and tap on the equip option. And when you do that, your character should be changed. So that is it. That is how you basically change your gender character on FreeFire. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.